Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. In this video I'm going to show you how to configure SIP Hotspot in Fanvil IP phones. So I have 3 IP phones of Fanvil of same model. I'm going to log in. So I have V60P PoE IP phone, and to configure SIP Hotspot, so we have to choose one IP phone which we will create as a hotspot server. So in the SIP line option, SIP hotspot option, enable SIP hotspot and mode select as hotspot. Now click on apply. Now navigate to SIP option, enable this account and give any username. So by default the extension of hotspot phone is 0, so I'm giving 0. Similarly 0 and the name as well 0. Now the IP address has to be same like your IP phone which you are creating as the hotspot server, and now click apply. Then it will be registered to the SIP hotspot server. So this basically a hotspot server IP address, and we have registered first account on this phone. Now we have to log in another second phone. Similarly we have to navigate to line, SIP hotspot option and enable this option, and the by default mode is client, so we don't have to change it to hotspot. Just click apply and it will automatically detect the server hotspot server phone. Let me refresh. So you can see here it has detected itself hotspot server and connected with that and get the extension number 1, and you can similarly see here display name and it is registered. Now on the another phone, doing the same configuration part, just enable, click apply and refresh. So it is also connected and get the extension as 2 and it is registered over here. And similarly we can verify in the hotspot server phone. So you can see here 2 IP phones are detected with the MAC address and with their alias ID. And if you want to change the extension series, just set the prefix over here. Like if you set here 1, so it will set extension with 10000. It will add itself 000 to the hotspot server phone. Then on the next phone it will give 1001, and on the third phone 1002. So this way you can modify your extension as well. Now I'll show you the demo of the phones. Thank you. So we have 3 Fanvil IP phones and we have configured them in SIP hotspot configuration. So all 3 phones are registered without PBX, and you can see the extension number. The hotspot server phone having 0 by default, and on the upcoming the next phones will get 1, 2, 3. So this phone is having 2 number extension, and similarly this next phone is having 3 number extension. So if I call from here on number 2, so call is coming on second phone and we can connect the call. Similarly we can make call on the third phone by pressing the 3 number and just press the hash key to dial, and call is coming on the third phone and the call is connected. So this scenario is working without PBX. Similarly we can do call transfer and conference in this scenario as well. So let me dial. Okay, I have answered the call. Now if I want to transfer this, just press this XFER, which is transfer key, and press the number of third phone. So I press number 3 and press the hash key and again press transfer. So call transfer completion from here and we can connect from third phone. So call is connected on first and third phone. So this way you can do the call transferring. Now I'll show you the conference feature. So similarly I'm dialing the number of second phone, answer the call, and to make a conference call press this conference button on your phone and dial third phone number, call, answer from the third phone and again press the conference key. So now 3 phones are into the conference. So this is a 3-way conference in phones.